Your roof is the protector of your home, and when it's damaged, it can cause serious problems. When that happens, you need a trusted roofing company to provide reliable and affordable roof repair services. Whether it's a leak, missing shingles, or any other issue, Hallman Roofing has you covered. With over 2 decades of experience, our team of experts has the skills to handle any roof repair in Wilmington, North Carolina. We have been providing top-quality roofing services to homeowners and businesses alike. Our experienced and skilled crew can handle any roofing issue, from minor repairs to complete roof replacements. We only use the highest quality materials to ensure your roof is repaired quickly and effectively. We will ensure that your roof will withstand even in the harshest weather conditions. Are you ready to get started on your roofing project? Contact us today at 910-228-7641 for a free estimate. You can also check our website at www.hallmanroofing.com/roof-repair for other services we offer.